This is the old design of a windmill, which we decided wasn't very environmentally friendly because of its sound, appearance, and impact on animal life. So we decided to make a completely new one.
Everyone needs energy, and everyone will need more energy.
Okay. So the idea of a gyroscopic windmill, the way of how it works is that it uses the energy out of the waves of the air flow. So when it's moving, we normally had a video, but this is a picture, but when it's moving, it goes all the way up and down on each side. So we have 4 points. So one point is after each other pressed down. So then you can also use the energy if you have a circle. When one side presses down, the pin is pressing to one side, and that happens 4 times.
We were the rethinkers, and we thought a lot about the technology sector because that was our task. But it was quite difficult to improve the already pretty improved windmill.
If you have a mass of air divided by in this volume, it's going to pass through the rotor blades of the windmill, right? And that mass has some kinetic energy, and you're only going to be able to generate power by some fraction of that kinetic energy, because you are not going to be able to extract power from all of it, right?
Yes. First of all, on the Norwegian coast, there's much space for wind parks on the sea, because there is, in fact, no really big wind park on it. There was only one wind park once planned, but it was never built.
Our idea is an offshore windmill park outside Raleigh.
We have also been given the task of wind power plants. We feel that wind power plants are good at harnessing energy, but they're only good when the wind is blowing, obviously, and we have no control over the wind turbines.
But the wind is much more caught inside the propellers, so in the turbines hold the wind much more, and therefore they are much more efficient than normal turbines.